Hi, welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC-TV18. Some sort of recovery is what we are seeing from the lows. The Nifty is down 29 points right now. At a point in time, we were seeing cuts of around 60 points. The Midcap index is back in the green, sitting with gains of 44 points. A lot of movers, as we've been seeing in the broader markets as well. And some stocks which have moved this hour are the likes of Shree Cement and Ultratech Cement. So watch out for these two names. They are seeing some buying from the lows. And in terms of movers, we have Apollo Hospitals, which is at the day's high. So that stock should also come up for you on the screen. HDFC Life is the one which is the one in focus as well. But let us now focus on the NSE Indices Rejig, which will come into effect from tomorrow. Adani Enterprises will be the second stock from the Adani Group to be included in Nifty, while Shree Cement will exit the index. Vivek tells us more.
Well, that's right. So this is in continuation with the earlier announcement that was made by the NSE Indices Committee. So a whole host of changes as far as all of the Nifty or the NSE indices are concerned. Most important one, of course, that we are tracking is the Nifty 50, where, like you mentioned, Adani Enterprises makes its entry, and Shree Cement is the one that will make way for Adani Enterprises. So now what we're actually tracking is we're tracking the flows, and if we're talking about the kind of flows that we could be seeing in today's trading session, remember, a lot of passive funds will actually have to change their weightage or the allocation based on these changes. So Adani Enterprises, on the back of that, will see inflows of close to $340 million, while Shree Cement will see outflows of close to $100 million. We're also tracking, the Nifty Next 50, and especially when you're talking about the Nifty Next 50 indexes, you're seeing a whole host of companies that are coming in. Among the top stocks, that will be impacted and seeing maximum flows are Adani Total Gas, close to $62 million worth of flows, Bharat Electronics, Hindustan Aeronautics, most of them are seeing quite a bit of strong flows. On the other hand, some of the stocks that are exiting from the Nifty Next 50 are Adani Enterprises. You're also seeing Jubilant Foodworks that will see outflows of close to $40 million. Lupin seeing outflows of close to $25 million. Lastly, keep an eye out for two stocks, both Power Grid as well as Coal India. Power Grid and Coal India are seeing weight changes as far as the CPSE index is concerned. Power Grid will see inflows of close to $30 million, while Coal India is seeing an outflow of close to $12 million.
Okay, all right, Vivek. Thanks very much for bringing us that update.